Okay, in this video we're going to find the area of a sector. Now, what is a sector? If you have a circle and you take like a wedge out of it, that's called a sector, like a piece of pizza. And so it's part of a circle. Now, how do you calculate the area? So we want to know what this area is in here, and it's only part of a circle. So you have to first calculate what fraction the sector is of the full circle. And to do that, you look at the degrees. So 60 degrees here, and just remember that the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. And if it's only part of a circle, you form the fraction by putting the degrees over 360. And that becomes your fractional piece. So for this particular sector, 60, and you can go divided by 360 if you like, times pi, times, and the radius is 5, and we have to square that. Okay, just go to your calculator and you should get 13.1 centimeters squared, and 1 dp is fine. Okay, so let's have a look at some of these ones. See if you can do them and then look at the answer. Okay, so here we've got a sector, part of a circle, and the area is what fraction? It's 100 out of 360. And of course there's 360 degrees in a circle, so you've got your 100 degrees divided by 360 degrees, and then you multiply it by pi times the radius, which is 2, squared. Key that into your calculator, 100 divided by 360 times pi times 2, then x squared, and you should get 3.5 meters squared. Good. Same routine with all these. Area of a circle is pi r squared. This is a fraction of a circle. What's the fraction? It's 30 out of 360 degrees. So 30 3/60ths times pi times 21 squared. And pop that into your calculator. 30 divided by 360 times pi times 21 squared. And you should get 115.5 centimeters squared. Don't forget your units when you're finding area are centimeters or meters, or but it's a square unit. Okay, number 3. Probably recognize this as a semicircle or a half circle, but just put your 180 degrees over 360. That's your fraction. You might recognize that will reduce to a half, times pi times, now we've got the diameter is 12, so the radius is half that. We only want the bit from here to here. We only want the radius, and that is 6 meters. So that's what goes in the calculator. So into the calculator, 180 divided by 360 times pi times 6 squared, and the answer is 56.5 meters squared. Okay, so now you can go to your booklet and complete the questions on page 18. Great.